What's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody?
Yo, today we're heading to where?
We're going to Coney Island.
Coney Island.
That's about 40 minutes. We got a fat traffic.
So
we're gonna go do some photo shoots.
Photo shoot
with the best photographer. So we're gonna get some nice photos.
So we met after how long, bro?
We met after 1 year.
One year.
More than that, I'm not sure.
Yeah, more than that.
But it didn't feel too long, you know.
It didn't feel too long.
Keep in touch.
So I have Sonam right here.
What's up, man?
Yo. Follow everybody.
Yo.
What's your Instagram, bro?
Link in bio.
Yeah, link in bio. All right, and I have that one here. What's your Instagram? And now we're currently heading to Coney Island.
It's about 37 minutes.
37 minutes. We're gonna have long traffic.
It's gonna be a nice photo shoot, though.
Yeah, nice. And today's weather is nice. It's looking nice.
Yeah, sunny.
Sunny.
This is good.
So guys, we're almost there. About how many minutes? 6 minutes away.
Bro, but Coney Island,
yeah, we're gonna get there. Parking right there. We're gonna park right there. We're almost there. 6 minutes away.
Check it out.
$1.25 is what? 1 hour.
See if it works first.
Yeah. Yeah, we gotta put it in front of the car. So that's it, right? So let me see. One more time. Alright, we're gonna press the print receipt. So, what time is it now? 9:54, Ty. So we got time until what? 11:38. You gotta be here by 11:30. Put it right here. So guys, we're here in Coney Island now. Is this the right way? Hello? You right way? Oh. The map isn't that way.
Just go there, right there. See that?
Oh, okay. Now, what do you got on you right now? Tripod,
bro.
You got the film camera too.
Yeah.
Share for the model today and then birthday, bro. Happy birthday once again, bro. We gonna do the backflip right now, right? Birthday. Damn, look at this view, bro. But nobody in the beach. It's empty. It's empty. That was all ready for the set. About to shoot. Shit by model. Hey, that all ready? Alright. It's too windy though. I hope the audio is right, bro. Audio of the windy. I don't know that, right?
Shotgun mics,
right? I hope so, bro. I hope. Right now. मलाई चाहिँ धेरै awkward लागिरहेछ क्यामेरामा चाहिँ honestly like hopefully I get used to it, man.
I'm not even. The rig is so big though. shit, I use GoPro to do the vlogging. I only use camera for the B-rolls.
Oh. Oh. Guys, we just finished shooting. Right now it's 11 a.m. Anyways, we had a great time. I took some videos, even though it's not that nice. We got Dawa who took nice picture with the film camera, the model right here. So guys, hopefully the video comes out nice and the audio. It was too windy. And now we're heading to LaGuardia, right? Heading to LaGuardia.
Nah, it's like 2 stories. Bro, that shit will gobble you up, bro.
Yeah, this is next to
You'll
your
die. Like, if you don't know how to swim well, you will literally die. Like,
this is next to your house, bro.
I barely survive in that shit. Like, I barely like survive.
Imagine inside it though.
Love is love. Love is love. Adios.
Thank you for the lunch, bro, everything. Had a great day. Alright, and want to say happy birthday one more time, bro. Happy birthday, bro, alright?
Birthday.
Happy birthday, Savizana wish God of Alright, happy birthday, Sono. Hey, I know. Alright, thank you so much, bro, alright? No, bro.
Alright.
No, bro. Thank you, bro. Thank you, Didi.
Thank you.
Good to see you after a long time. Alright, Sono. More than say? Yeah. Alright, bro. Take it, bro, alright? Alright, bro. Peace out.
Living facts now, yeah, we living facts now. 1340 on me, homie, I don't do no bait. No.